Hello. Today we are looking at how I created this MineSweeper game, which is clone of popular Stake Diamond game using React.js only. First of all, create a skeleton of React application using npx create React app of using Vite. First of all, we have to create 25 boxes. So I created an array of 25 values using this command and map it. Now we have to set mines. So as you can see, there are 3 levels, like you want on hidden mine of 2 or 3. So I created set mine and generating random number between 0 to 24 using this command. And saving it in a state as a mine number. If user choose this number, he will lost. So on click of the box we have this function that will check if selected box is mine or a normal or an open box. So simple, right? So that's how I created this easy game using React.js. Thank you for watching the video.